Senator Seki of Kajiado.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate you for being appointed as the Speaker of the Senate, together with the Deputy Speaker. On behalf of the people of Kajiado and myself, I want really to appreciate and thank God for this enormous election that has taken place this morning or this afternoon. And I want to say that being a very experienced leader of this country, after looking into your CV and going through the CV that has been found to be almost, you've been in every area or even every position in this country. We really believe in you, and we believe that you're going to make a very big impact to this House. And I want to say that, God willing, we are looking forward to see you taking note to all these points that you have taken up this afternoon, together with my colleagues, and more importantly, the issue of the oversight fund, which we really need to go down to see what is happening in the counties, because it's part of what we really want to see performance in our counties. So thank you so much. I really want to appreciate you and appreciate the entire House. And I can also see that soon we will have a very strong opposition, and I want to tell them to be ready, because we are going to drive this country well. Thank you so much.
Senator Alan of Trans Nzoia County.